In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and extract contact details from LinkedIn in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to expand your professional network or simply trying to get in touch with someone for a project, being able to access contact details quickly and efficiently can be incredibly valuable. So let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to linkedin.com. It's a good idea to bookmark this site if you're not already a regular visitor, as LinkedIn is a powerful tool for professionals worldwide. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. You have the option to sign in with Google or Microsoft, making it convenient if your accounts are already linked. Alternatively, you can use your email address and password if you prefer. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the LinkedIn profile of the person you're interested in. This might be a colleague, someone you met at a conference, or a potential client. In the search bar at the top, simply type in their name and hit enter. Once you've got the profile you're searching for, it's time to look for their contact information. You'll find the contact info section usually located in the introduction part of their profile. It's worth mentioning that not everyone chooses to share their contact details publicly, so what you find may vary. If they have allowed it, you could see their email address or perhaps even a phone number. Remember, this access is contingent on individual privacy settings, so if you don't see what you're looking for, it might just be hidden from public view. If you need to export your connections, LinkedIn also gives you the ability to download this information. For this, click on the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn page, then navigate to Settings and Privacy. From here, you'll want to click on Data Privacy. Under How LinkedIn Uses Your Data, click on Get a Copy of Your Data. This feature is particularly useful when you need to have your contacts organized and readily accessible. Select Connections from the list of download options and proceed by clicking Request Archive. By doing this, LinkedIn will collate the available data and email you a link. This link will allow you to download a CSV file containing your connection's details safely to your computer. Through these easy steps, you'll be able to efficiently access and manage contact information from LinkedIn. Keep in mind the importance of respecting privacy and using this data responsibly. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy networking.